Here we are with my Carter, and I'm putting some white wool on. The Corvette sheep, the CVOI, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but we're going to put some of the white wool on, just a little bit. I think that'll be enough. Let me separate it. Get some as a base. Get some of the dog hair on. Here's some dog hair. We're gonna get a little less than that. Just want to separate it a little bit. I'm just putting it on a little bit at a time. We'll try and get it combed in a little bit. I love Zelda, and I've had her for 18 years and 3 months. We had a little birthday party for her. You can see in the picture in the front, and it was a lot of fun. She meant a lot to me. I would like to make a warm hat this winter. See how that's going on? Pretty smooth. See, this is real smooth material, though. You know, she's not like some of the dogs where they spin the dog hair and it's crimpy. You know, it'll hold. So I'm hoping with a little wool mixed in with this, it'll hold it well enough to spin it. Get a lot more in here. Make a real warm hat. Might have to get a coat to match. So anyway, here we go. Here we go, spinning and round and round, round and round, round and round. Let me get a little of this on. Takes a while, don't it? Anyway, this is a fun project. I'm excited to see how it turns out. And, you know, never spun dog hair before. I had a girlfriend in Alaska, though. She used to spin her Malamutes. She used to spin their dog hair. And they did this. Of course, they utilized everything they had up there. They lived way out in the boondocks, and they had to fly their plane in to come into Fairbanks. It was interesting. There's a woman in our fiber arts class. She's trying to get someone who will spin her cat hair. She's got a cat, and she saves some of its hair. She wants to make a hat out of that. I want to get enough on there. Here's some of this alpaca. Let me put a little of this on, and then I'll try and comb it down a little bit. Of course, alpaca doesn't have any lanolin or anything in it, and it doesn't do quite like wool, but it's very shiny and it's easy to work with. Maybe a little more. I need enough to do 2 layers probably. Let me brush that down a little bit. Just a light brushing. Do some more dog hair. Let me get some of her natural. Whee! There we go. And if you, please give me a like on my video. It helps other people to see it, and it will help me a great deal. And I like other people to see what I'm doing, and you know, I like to teach. So give me a like on this. I'd be most appreciative. Oh, that's pretty. That's got some black in it. And do a little more wool. Let me get it combed out a little bit. There we go. Real pretty hair here. This is real pretty hair. There's a little white one. She started getting some white, gray hair as she got older. Anyway, there we go. I'm going to spin this and see how it turns out. So that'll look good. Full, and then just go ahead and make a hat. But I kind of wanted some characteristics of her hair to show through, and so I thought I'd try this. We'll see how it does. Trying to cover all this white to make sure that I'm getting enough dog hair. I've got 6 ounces of it, so I've got quite a bit. I want to use as much of it up as I can. Let me get in her hat and get some of the better hair out. Ooh, that's a pretty piece. You ever have days where everything goes wrong? I got up this morning, I spilled his drink, and I didn't put the coffee in the coffee pot. It just came out water at first. You ever have those days? I do that a lot, it seems like. And I get my mind on something. I don't concentrate on what I'm doing. Ooh, here's a nice dark piece. I want some of that dark in there. There we go. If you like my video, please press the subscribe button so I can do some more videos for you. And thank you. This is Lena's Needlecraft, and I'm Lena. And thank you so much for joining me.